Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Good news for ChromeOS users. ChromeOS 131 is released. ChromeOS 131 is a small update, but in this update you'll find a special features. Go to settings and search Power Wash. You'll find Power Wash. In Power Wash settings, you'll find two options. One new option is added, that is safety reset. In recent past days, if you click on reset, it was supposed to delete all the apps, all the data, and even your Google account from the Chromebook. But this time, with the help of safety reset, it will only remove unwanted pop apps, fix network issues, and more. So let's check it out. Just click on safety reset. And here you can see safety reset. What is safety reset? It says safety reset can help you more unwanted pop-ups, fix network issues, and address other unexpected issues. Safety reset turns up ChromeOS browser extensions and resets network and other settings to save defaults. Your tabs, files, cookies, and histories won't be changed. That means your files, your tabs, your cookies, histories won't be deleted. Now click on safety reset. Just wait a seconds. Now, you can see safety reset has been completed. It says your Chromebook was reset to your sub-defaults. You can adjust extension settings, ChromeOS settings, and Chrome settings. If you don't want to change, if you want to change nothing, click on done. Thanks for watching.